Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make kabocha no soup. It's creamy kabocha squash soup. Very easy to make and you really can't fail. So if you can get fresh kabocha, try this one. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this kabocha no soup. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 cups of milk, 1/4 kabocha squash, some salt, soup stock, butter, and black pepper. I'm using chicken stock today, but you can use any stock you like. And the amount of these are totally up to you, so please adjust to your taste. Let's remove the seeds of kabocha squash using spoon. Cut the bottom and the top off. The skin of kabocha squash is edible, but I don't want green bits floating in my soup, so I'm going to remove it. But if you don't mind, you can just leave it on. Let's cut it into chunks. Put it in the bowl. Add about a tablespoon of water. Cover it and microwave until it's nice and soft. I did 6 minutes at 600 watts. And the toothpick can easily go through. Let's mash it until it's nice and smooth. All mashed up and no chunky bits left. 2 cups of milk. Mashed kabocha. And just heat it up as you constantly mix it. It's very easy to brown at the bottom, and make sure not to boil it. Now it's hot, but not boiling. Let's season it with these. Some salt, soup stock, and butter. Dissolve all these seasonings. Kill the heat and it's done. Let's serve in the soup bowl. some black pepper if you like. And kabocha no soup is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's so rich and creamy. The salty seasonings bring out the sweetness of kabocha and it's so good. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Kabocha no soup goes here. How about teriyaki burger here? It's bread, but it's carb, so it goes here and it also covers the main. Anything you like for the side dishes, but I think I want to have vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of them and some sort of pickles to refresh my palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!